Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HUSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume. Whole lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. A very, very important level. I would definitely call it a must-hold level going into next week. And to give some credit where credit's due, it bounced essentially right off that level. It's right here at 16.5 cents. Why is 16.5 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come back down to 16.5 and then just continue on down, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, and what, like I said, what happened today when it bounced off right there, so maybe it comes down there and once again bounces around before heading back up. Well, at that point in time, at least you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have previous lows down there, and if you envision each of these as stair steps, well, the overall stair steps would still be progressing in the upwards direction, and that's definitely a good sign from the bigger picture point of view. Now, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, from that point of view, yeah, you probably don't care about these stair steps, but like I said, these comments are being geared towards more so the bigger picture of things, but that is why 16.5 cents, very, very important, because for the simple reason you just don't want to see the price going back to where it was, because going back to where it was, especially after a big monster move, I mean, think about what that would be implying. That would be implying that the price made an awesome move upwards, and now all of a sudden it's right back to where it started. I mean, in some senses that, would be a pump and dump, and with how monster of a move upwards it was, only to have it give back all its gains. So keep a close eye on 16.5 cents. Definitely very important level going forward. From the resistance side of things, the near term, keep an eye right there on that 20-cent mark. So 20 cents key level of resistance. But yeah, things are looking shaky right now, but we'll see if the bulls can try to recover next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.